is here, isn't it? We are here to celebrate, but more to learn from each other. Our friends, partners from near and far, and our relatives, Karibia Mira. Today marks a special day for us as we welcome all of you to share knowledge in two critical areas that touches the core of our society. It is indeed an honor to have from as far as coastal region visiting us. We hope you enjoy our cool weather, which is a break from the heat. We are glad to be among the first counties to develop a child policy and also have an act for persons with disabilities. Most of you work in the county governments, and you know that it's not an easy to come up with such documents. Indeed, in Nyaribo, we are proud that by having the child policy and the Pwds Act, we have lived to our slogan of County of Possibilities. Ladies and gentlemen, today and tomorrow you will have an opportunity to learn from the processes, negotiations, and the give and the take that enabled us to have the two documents. I'm sorry, it's a bit dark here, so I read this in English. Since it's peer-to-peer learning, we are also looking forward to hear experiences in your counties. For those who have started the process to have a similar act or a policy, we are eager to hear. If probable, probably you found shorter or easier ways that we can adapt. And where there is the challenges, we can offer each other advice and the possible solutions. To that will help fast track the process. As a governor, I must say that I supported the process because I was encouraged by the benefits of the two documents. Children are our future. Therefore, their well-being should be safeguarded cherished. The child policy lays a foundation for a multi-sectoral approach to protect and safeguard children's rights so that they can realize their dreams. We all are also aware that persons with disabilities make up the world's largest mattress group. In Nyaribo, we have 17,549 Pwds. They often face stigma, discrimination, And the link between disability, poverty, and social inclusion is evident here, hence the need for the Act. The PWT Act provides for establishment of a board that will ensure their rights are protected and also enable the county government allocate resources towards programs that will support them. This will help accelerate economic growth, inclusivity, and increase the role of government in improving and expanding opportunities for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to mention that partners have a great role to play in assisting counties realize the aspirations of devolution. Through collaboration and partnerships, we can engage in processes that benefit the vulnerable in the society. I am impressed by the journey we have walked with partners from the beginning, and up to now, we are still working together to ensure we have a proper framework for implementation. A special thanks to changing the way we care for assisting us in developing the child policy and the PWD Act. We have worked with us as we navigate the various hurdles, and who are patient with us when the pace was not as fast as expected. To all partners present, thank you for joining us today. It's my hope that you will continue supporting counties. In Nyamira, our doors are always open for partnerships in programs that will help improve the welfare of our people. I wish you all the best as we learn from each other in the 2 days. Enjoy our matoke, sweet bananas, tea, local vegetables, and the beautiful scenery as you learn. It is now my honor to declare this peer-to-peer learning forum officially open. The glory is here, isn't it? We are here to celebrate, but more to learn from each other.